If you're ready to up your trading game on Robinhood, margin trading can boost your buying power, but it comes with extra risk. First, upgrade to Robinhood Gold by tapping your account tab, then selecting Gold and signing up for the $5 per month plan. That unlocks your first $1,000 of interest free margin and sets you up to borrow more. Once Gold is active, you can enable margin trading. Head to your account menu, find the margin investing option, toggle it on, and Robinhood will check if you're eligible based on your portfolio balance. Typically, at least $2,000 for standard users or $25,000 or if you are a day trader. After approval, you'll see your total buying power increase. That's your cash plus borrowed funds. You can now place trades using margin directly in the app. But remember, margin amplifies both gains and losses. It's a tool that magnifies everything. Make sure to monitor your account for margin calls, maintain the required equity, and stay aware of daily interest charges on borrowed funds. Margin trading lets you access more of the market, but it isn't for everyone. If you're comfortable with the risks and want to expand your opportunities, it's worth considering. If this helped, tap like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to deep dive into managing margin risks or optimizing your Robinhood strategy. See you in the next video.